Got my Weiss 2002 John Cooper Works Mini Cooper S here. Gonna be replacing the cabin filter. Picked up this cabin filter here. It's a long one, pretty interesting. This is a one that has charcoal in it. So it is under the glove box in this little box. There are bolts that go here, but this is a 20-year-old car, so someone at this time said, I am not gonna bother putting those bolts in, but they will be a Torx head if they are. I brought my Torx with me just in case, but looks like I won't need it. And then there's simply these clips right here. That light's kind of in the way, so you just undo clip here. All right, so you see one clip here, one clip here. Pull that, just pull down. Comes off, there's clips in the back, and this thing is gonna be nasty, I'm sure of it. Oof, this is bad. This thing stuffs way back in there. And look at that, that's bad. Yeah, we live in the country with oak trees. Now pull this thing out. Oh. Yeah, I think that was due for a replacement. All right. So you see it says airflow on that side. So you shove that part back in there. Here is the new versus the old. So yeah, definitely replace these more often, especially if you live in a dusty climate like we do. And we have, you can tell, oak trees. So my bad on that. I'm usually better about this with my cars. But there you go. This one, of course, for the section that says airflow this way. A little hard to tell on this one because it's in, you know, it's black ink on black. And then you're just gonna end this hole and then just shove it back in. These are usually just a lot simpler than this, but of course, mini has to mini. Basically, when you're shoving up, you want to shove it. You can't really get in here because it's a mini, and when pushing it in, it has to go not straight across. It has to go up. So put your hand up in here and just keep shoving it up. Oh, it's fun, but I can't do it with one hand. All right, so there it is. You can see in there it shoves up and it's at an angle. Pretty weird, but yeah, just have it all stuffed in there, then pull it down against this channel right here. See that? And put the clip back on.